everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, the condolences messages are pouring in for SA actress Khabonina Qubeka, known as OB in Generation The Legacy, and her family. Khabonina recently found a father who was not in her life when she was growing up. She shared a conversation they recently had with her dad, and it read, "Hey Khabo," and she responded, "Baba." Then the father said, "Hey Khabo, thanks for coming over the weekend. We had a blast. I enjoy the company and your daughter, besides the constant grandpa. It was great. I was really happy. The neighbors can see that we have a large family as well. I love you very much, but..." He laughed. "And have a nice week. I will keep you updated as things happen. Bye." Then Khabo guys, she said, "Just as I was getting to know my father, he is no more. Rest in peace, Baba." First of all guys, we'd like to send our deepest condolences to the family of Ntate Thwala and Qubeka for their loss. I can imagine the pain of finding your father, building the relationship with him, and lose him again within a short period of time. But guys, again, I'm glad they met, and I hope Khabo will find comfort and cherish the time they spend together. May his soul and spirit rest in perfect peace. Do leave your comment below guys, and let's show Khabo some love on the comment section. Bye.